Right, item number 13 is continuation of committees into 2016-19 triennium. Tina.
I really just want to take the item as read. As you know, all committees are discharged at the end of the triennium, but there are two committees that we think should be not discharged and carry on, and that's the district licensing committees, as there might be some hearings during that time, so we want that committee to be able to function, and the Turangi Reserve Management Plan Committee, which, as you appreciate, is an ongoing committee to develop the plan. Of course, the appointments from a council perspective eventually will change once the elections have been completed. And we'll make those appointments.
Thanks, Tina. So business as usual for these two committees. Yep. Thank you very much. Any questions, queries, Tina? Recommended resolution. Sorry, Roseanne.
Sorry, Richard. Were there any other committees that, I mean, you've put these two down, but are there any others that you would urge us to have a look at as well? Or is
I mean, they're the only ones that I think we need to
carry on
to continue. The other ones will be a council, will still be brought to council at the beginning of our triennium to look at what that structure might be.
Because Councillor Park and I discussed the airport with Mr Menhenant the other week, but I guess that's a BAU management over that period.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. No, thank you. Just wanted to clarify.
All right. Thank you. Moved by Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Trewavas. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against, carried.